There are many ways to look and feel beautiful without relying on makeup. Here are a few suggestions. Take care of your skin. Make sure to cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize your skin regularly to keep it healthy and glowing. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is important for both physical and mental well-being, and it can help improve the appearance of your skin. A good night's sleep can do wonders for your skin and overall well-being. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to look and feel its best. Stop and check description if you want your face to look more pretty as you was in 18. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help improve your overall physical and mental well-being, and it can also help improve the appearance of your skin. Practice good hygiene. Make sure to brush your teeth, wash your face, and use deodorant to keep yourself looking and feeling clean and fresh. Use skincare products. There are many skincare products that can help improve the appearance of your skin without the use of makeup. Look for products that are tailored to your specific skin type and concerns. Confidence is key. Perhaps the most important thing is to have confidence in yourself. Believe in your own beauty and don't be afraid to show it off. Remember, beauty comes from within and is not just about your appearance. It's important to focus on feeling good about yourself and taking care of your overall health and well-being.